Daily markup for EURUSD for Friday the 15th of December 2023. This is the daily chart. The swing structure is bearish. However, after the break of structure, we've had a pullback, and the pullback is pretty bullish. I marked this as probably the end of the pullback because we've had a change of character and possibly an internal break of structure. However, we kind of tapped into this daily demand and we've had a very strong bullish reaction. Looking at the momentum with which this is going, I'm not very sure whether this will hold or not, or we might just breach this supply zone. We'll wait and watch. But as far as the internal is concerned, on the daily we are extremely bullish and we've come in with a lot of momentum. However, if anything has to hold, so this is probably the last zone, and from here we can look at targeting this weak swing low. So we'll wait and see how price action develops, but this is very high probability. If you're able to catch a short here, you can actually look at targeting right up to this low, and those are those monster trades which can give you something like a 10-hour or 15-hour or something like that. Moving on to the H4, again extremely bullish. The swing is bearish. We've had a pullback, but the pullback has happened with a lot of momentum, and we are now into there are a lot of zones in between that we've now kind of just shot through, and we have now reached the extreme. And if something has to hold, then this is probably the last kind of place where it's going to hold, and this is the last zone really. So, but we've come in with a lot of momentum, and I would be very cautious looking for shorts from here. I would definitely like to see some kind of an internal break of structure, not just a chalk, and then kind of look for shorts. So this is where we are as far as the H4 is concerned. Moving on to the M15. So M15 is, the swing is bullish, possibly to facilitate the pullback on the H4. But yeah, like we said, there's been a lot of momentum coming in here, and we've now kind of come into this zone, and kind of like paused a little bit. We starting to range a little over here, starting from yesterday sometime in the evening to now. This is the Asian session going on, but we've kind of paused a little. From here, this is the H4, and from here we've come down with some momentum. We've taken out this this marked the change of character. But let's say if we take this out, then I would be more kind of convinced that okay, the M15 pullback is happening, and it's quite a sizable pullback. If you really look at it, we've got a lot of imbalances here, some imbalance over here. So price would probably tend to come back to fill up these imbalances and possibly continue with the daily trend of the swing being bearish. So nothing really, just kind of wait and watch once London opens, and we'll see. London opening is in another about 90 minutes from now, and we'll wait and watch and see what really happens. This is currently the Asian session going on, and yeah, that's pretty much it. We've got the swing is bullish, but like I said, I'll be cautious, and I'll look at that pullback to start any minute. So yeah, if we take this out, then I'll be interested in looking for sells. So wait and watch. We have, in terms of a fair value gap, this is a fair value gap that we could look at targeting, or there's liquidity behind this. So yeah, let's just wait and see how price action plays out.